This is the crossword puzzle that I have sent you today, and I hope you all have done it. So let's discuss the answers. Okay, so across से start करते हैं. In across, first is are basic truth or guidelines for behavior. Okay, Aditi. Yes, Aditi.
Principles.
Principles, very good. It is starting from P, that is principles. These are the basic truth or guidelines for the behavior. Number 2 is this principle emphasizes kindliness and justice in behavior of managers towards worker. Okay. Drishti. Yes, bete.
Equity.
Sorry, it is. क्या बोला आपने? मेरे को आवाज नहीं आई. I can't hear you. Yes, Drishti, you said something.
Equity.
Equity. Okay. So from the word, हमारे पास यहाँ एक word था justice. When we are talking about justice, justice means that whatever I will do with you, if you are wrong, the same I will do with the other person if he or she is wrong. So justice means equality, equal treatment of two persons. So justice word से हमें पता चला कि the answer is equity. This is how you are supposed to identify the keyword, that this word leads to the answer of equity. Right? Next is the application of principles of management is depend upon the prevailing situation at a particular point of time. And answer starts from C. Yes. Anyone? No? But according to the prevailing situation, your principles application keeps on changing. So the right answer, Sanyam wants to answer. Yes, Sanyam?
Contingent.
It is contingent. Contingent means it will change with the situation. According to the situation, when you are changing, as per situation. So as per situation, when you are changing, it means this is the point of contingent. Okay? Contingent means it may be there, it may not be there. Next is the application of this principle of management will also minimize the need for using penalties. कौन सा principle है ये? Yes. Please raise your hands. No one? The application of this principle will also minimize the need for using penalties. The answer is here. E से है ना ये. It is spirit D corps. Spirit D corps means when we are working together, we are working as a team spirit or teamwork. Then what will happen? No one, like no single person will be responsible to get any penalty or fine. This, if it is a failure, it will be a mutual failure of all. If it is a success, then again it is success of all the people working together. Next is techniques which include time study, motion study, fatigue study, and method study. Which technique is it? Okay, 4 students have raised their hand. Yes, Chahat want to answer. Chahat?
Ma'am, work study.
Very good. Yesterday we discussed it. All the 4 studies are all together called as work study. Okay. Next is the principles of management can be modified by the manager when the situation so demands. Yes, ये भी हमने किया था. It is somewhere related, like equivalent to contingent only. According to the situation, we modify it. Okay, so many students are ready to answer. Okay, Sanya. Yes.
Flexible.
Yes, it is flexible because according to the situation, sometimes we like कुछ हम उसमें modification कर देते हैं. Next is seventh one. The technique aims at eliminating unnecessary movements. ये movement word से हमें पता चल जाएगा, हमें ज़्यादा पढ़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Movements. So what is the technique in which we are studying movements of the workers? Yes, okay. So Jasmine want to answer. Jasmine.
Ma'am, motion study.
Motion study, yes. Movement is being studied in motion study. Very well. Now we are coming to down. First is work is divided into small jobs. Starting from D, okay. So many hands. Vanshika, you can answer.
Division of work.
Very good. It is division of work. Work is divided. नाम से पता चल गया division of work. Next is the principal emphasize on fixed place for everything and is present and it is present there in the organization. Place वाला जो हमने पढ़ा था कि there should be a place for everything. Okay. Kashvi, you can answer.
Principle of order.
Very good. It is principle of order. कल हमने पढ़ा था place. Place for men and material. जहां हम place की बात करेंगे वहां हमारे पास क्या आंसर आ जाएगा? Order. So these are some key words which I am identifying and writing here. Place for men and material. This is the principle of order, right? Now one more thing. I have made a list of keywords और उसके सामने उनके topics कि ये keyword हो तो ये आंसर है, ये keyword हो तो ये आंसर है. This is what I expect from you too. If you want, by the end of this chapter, tomorrow we are going to cover one last topic and then this chapter will be over. By the end of this chapter, I will send you my list. जो मैंने बनाई है, 70-80 words are there and those words or statements or quotes will lead to the hint of the answer. This is for chapter 2 I have done. For upcoming all the chapters you are going to do it on your own. ठीक है बेटे? I will send you by the end of this chapter, not now. Tomorrow we will cover one more point and then this chapter will be over. Okay. Next is this study helps to calculate total labor cost. Very easy. Okay. Kanika Goel. Yes, Kanika.
Time study.
Time study. Yes. Time and cost उसमें हम calculate करते हैं. Next is are general rules for behavior of individuals in society formed through common practice. What are these? Fourth one, downwards. Yes. Society में how you are going to do. In the beginning of the chapter मैंने आपको बताया था difference between principles. Okay. Yes. I got two hands. Aditi. Yes, Aditi.
Values.
Yes, it is values. These are the values which you are getting from common practicing in this society. जब आप जहाँ रहते हो आप वहाँ से कुछ सीखते हैं and then you formulate your own values of life. Okay. Next is the this principle emphasize on workers should be encouraged to develop and carry out their plans for improvement. Which is this principle? Okay, so many hands. Sanyam. Yes, Sanyam.
Initiative.
Initiative in which we encourage them to come अपने अपने ideas लेके आइए. आपके जो ideas हैं on the basis of those ideas we will give you a chance to carry out your own plans. Next is this principle emphasize that dual subordination should be avoided. Very easy. Okay. 6 participants. Let's see if some new child is Kavya. Yes, Kavya.
Ma'am, unity of command.
Unity of command. Yes, because dual means दो लोगों का boss होना is not allowed here in unity of command. Next is this technique aims to find out one best way of doing a particular work. Yes, Drishti.
Method study.
Method study. Very good. This is again right answer. So I hope all the answers are clear to you. Right? So now we are going to start with the revision of the other topic That is MCQs for this chapter, that we have not covered those now. We are going to do it right now. Okay, so is my screen visible to all of you? Yes. Yes. Okay, so let's see the questions here are in the screen. First is, how are the principles of management formed? Principles of management are formed through observation, through experience, or through both, or none of the above. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Harshita Gandhi. Yes, Harshita.
Both A and B.
Both A and B. Observation से भी and experience से भी. Both A and B is the right answer. Next is, the principle of management are considered important because they help in policy formation, reducing cost, or fulfilling social responsibility, or all of the above. Okay, Jasmine.
All of the above.
All of the above. Yes, all these purposes are being served by principles of management. Henry Fayol by profession is, yes, by profession Henry Fayol was a, okay, Kanika,
Mining engineer.
mining engineer. Very good, right answer. Next is, identify the statement which best describes the principle of division of work. Manpower should be divided, the organizational work should be divided into small tasks, allocation of resources, yeah, leads to efficiency. Okay, Sanyam.
B option, the organizational work should be divided into small tasks.
Very good. It is the organization का जो पूरा काम है, that is to be divided in small parts. Next is, Gagan works in a factory. His main job is to keep machine, material, tools, etc. ready for production for the workers. Identify the job position held by Gagan under functional foremanship. Okay. Okay. Manya wants to answer. Manya.
Gang boss.
Very good. It is gang boss. He is the one who will keep machines, material, tools ready for work. Next is, identify the concept which emphasizes on a complete change in the outlook of workers and management towards each other. Kal hi padha hai humne. Okay. Pranjal wants to answer. Pranjal. Pranjal can't hear me, I think so. Okay. Aditi, you can answer.
Ma'am, mental revolution.
Mental revolution. Yes. Mental revolution means that both of the parties, they need to change their outlook and thought process towards each other. Okay. Next question is, the principles of pure science are considered to be dash in nature. Flexible, rigid, creative, none of the above. Ashwinder ने काफी देर से हाथ खड़े किया था. Ashwinder, are you there? You can answer this question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the principles are rigid in nature.
Very good. The principles of pure science are rigid. They can't be changed. हम management के principles we can modify, we can change, but science के जो principles हैं, they are rigid. Next is, which of the following statements best defines the techniques of management? कौन सी statement हमें techniques को define कर रही है? Options. It is a set of guidelines to take decisions and action. It is a procedure which involves a series of steps to be taken. There are general rules, none of the above. Okay. Pranjal, आपका hand raised है. जब मैं पूछती हूँ आप आंसर नहीं करती हैं. Pranjal, you can answer this question. Harshita Gandhi.
Ma'am, B option.
B
It is a
option. It is a procedure to be followed which involves a series of steps to be taken. Technique में आपका, ठीक है जी. Next is, which of the following statement is or are true with reference to principles of management? Yes. जल्दी से पढ़ के, अच्छा पढ़ लिया आपने मुझसे पहले? Okay. Manya.
All of the above.
All of the above. Yes. All the statements are correct. Okay, Pranjal is here. Pranjal, bete, I can't see your face. I want you to switch on your camera. आपका hand इतनी देर से raise होता है, जब मैं पूछती हूँ आप आंसर ही नहीं करते. Yes, Pranjal. Okay, Sanyam, you want to say something?
मैम नहीं, अगले क्वेश्चन के लिए कर लिया.
Okay, चलिए next question है, the principles of management are intended to be applied in all the sizes and types of organization. This statement reflects that the principles are, हाँ जी चलिए संयम ही बता देगा.
Universally applicable.
Yes, the principles are universally applicable. हर टाइप के हर साइज में देखो हर जगह अप्लाई हो रहा है. अप्लाई वर्ड से हमें अभी हिंट मिल गया. अप्लाई लिखा है यहाँ और ऑप्शन में भी हमारे पास थर्ड वाली ऑप्शन में अप्लाइड लिखा है, तो डायरेक्टली आपको हिंट मिल गया कि आंसर इज यूनिवर्सली एप्लीकेबल. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Principles of management can be modified by the manager when the situation demands. ये आपने अभी शायद किया था. ओके, सान्या.
Flexible.
Flexible, very good. Next is question number 12. ध्यान से पढ़िए, थोड़ा बड़ा सा क्वेश्चन है. The principles of management enhance the understanding of relation between human and material resources for achievement of organizational goals. Identify the feature of the principles of management being described in the above given statement. Okay, one only. Jasmine. Yes, Jasmine.
Ma'am, B option, optimum utilization of resources and effective administration.
No, no, no. Anyone else who want to give it a try? Hina Taneja. Yes, Hina.
Ma'am, C option from the practice and experimentation.
ऐसे तो तुम चारों ऑप्शन बता दोगे एक एक करके ही. अदिति चलो तुम बताओ.
Cause and effect relationship.
चलिए, तीनों गलत ऑप्शन आप 3 बच्चे दे चुके हो. जो बच गई है चौथी ऑप्शन, दैट इज द राइट आंसर. It is mainly behavioral. Now, why is it behavioral? Please read the question once more. Question number 12 says the principles of management enhance the understanding of relation between. इसमें कहीं efficiency की बात नहीं की, optimum utilization की बात नहीं की, cause and effect relation की बात भी नहीं की है, और practice और experiment तो कहीं दूर दूर तक नहीं है. इसमें उन्होंने बोला है कि ह्यूमन और मटेरियल रिसोर्सेज को अंडरस्टैंड करना है, उनका रिलेशनशिप अंडरस्टैंड करना है. सो इट इज मेनली बिहेवियरल इन नेचर. ये वाला इसका आंसर है. ठीक है. Okay, next is 13. According to Taylor, even a small production activity like loading figures of iron into boxes can be scientifically planned and managed. This can result in tremendous saving of human energy as well as wastage of time and material. Identify the related principle of scientific management. Very easy question. Okay, Kanika. Yes, Kanika.
Science, not rule of thumb.
Very good. Science, not rule of thumb. Method को study करो, कहता है even छोटे से छोटा काम भी है, scientifically study करो, देखो कि कैसे उसको implement करना है, and then follow the same. So this is science, not hit and try. नहीं कि तुम अपने हिसाब से डब्बे में सामान रख दो, तुम अपने. No, you are supposed to follow one single method which is scientifically designed by the company. Next question is, according to this principle of scientific management, scientific management has for its foundation in the firm conviction that true interest of the management and workers are one and the same. The prosperity of the employer can't exist for a long time unless it is accompanied by prosperity of the employees and vice versa. Okay, which principle is this? One, two only. Okay, Jasmine, give it a try.
Cooperation and not individualism.
Sanyam.
Harmony, not discord.
Yes, it is harmony, not discord. कल ही आपको समझाया था कि मैनेजमेंट ने अपनी सोच टुवर्ड्स वर्कर्स चेंज करनी है, वर्कर्स ने अपनी सोच टुवर्ड्स मैनेजमेंट चेंज करनी है. Whenever they will have some extra benefit in the company, they are supposed to share it with the workers. Then they will feel like कि हमारा इस कंपनी में जो है, हमारा भी राइट है इस कंपनी में, हमने एक्स्ट्रा काम किया, हमें एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट मिला. Then this is harmony and not discord. अब क्वेश्चन कहता है कि कंपनी में लॉन्ग रन में एफिशिएंसी तभी चल सकती है अगर एम्प्लॉयर की जो मतलब प्रॉस्पेरिटी है वो अकेले की नहीं होगी, अगर दोनों ग्रो करेंगे देन ओनली द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल ग्रो. इट इज नॉट कि एम्प्लॉयर अकेला ग्रो करता रहे और एम्प्लॉय ग्रो ना कर पाए. ठीक है, सो दैट इज हाउ इट हैज कम टू द कंक्लूजन दैट हार्मनी नॉट डिस्कॉर्ड इज द आंसर. डाउट है तो आप फिर से पूछ लो मुझे. हार्मनी नॉट डिस्कॉर्ड यही कहता है कि कंपनी अगर ग्रो कर रही है, कंपनी इज अर्निंग एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉफिट, दे आर सपोज टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट सम पार्ट ऑफ द प्रॉफिट टू द वर्कर्स, ताकि वर्कर्स को हार्मनी मतलब फील हो, उनका एटीट्यूड चेंज हो मैनेजमेंट के लिए. ओके अदिति, यस बच्चे.
मैम ये यहाँ पे जो लाइन लिखी है दैट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट एंड द वर्कर्स आर वन एंड द सेम, उससे कोऑपरेशन और इंडिविजुअलिज्म भी पता लग रहा है.
बेटे कोऑपरेशन जो है ना उसमें मैं आपको बताती हूँ, आपको मैंने शायद कीवर्ड लिखवाया भी होगा. कोऑपरेशन नॉट इंडिविजुअलिज्म का कीवर्ड होता है सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंगनेस. जब आप अपने वर्कर्स को देते हो, व्हेन यू आर गिविंग देम अ चांस टू थिंक, टू गिव देयर सजेशन एंड देयर सजेशंस आर टेकन केयर ऑफ, वो अपने अकॉर्डिंगली कंपनी में काम कर सके. कोऑपरेशन नॉट इंडिविजुअलिज्म में वो वाली लाइन आएगी जैसे कि ओपन कम्युनिकेशन शुड बी एनकरेज, दैट वर्कर्स आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू गो फॉर स्ट्राइक पे चले जाओ या ट्रेड यूनियन बना लो. अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है आप मैनेजमेंट के साथ डिस्कस करिए, आप अपने आइडियाज लेके आइए, अपने सजेशंस लेके आइए, मैनेजमेंट विल डेफिनेटली इंप्लीमेंट इट एंड देन दे विल वर्क अकॉर्डिंगली. तो कोऑपरेशन नॉट इंडिविजुअलिज्म में ये वाली लाइंस आनी चाहिए. इफ यू हैव नॉट रिटन प्लीज नोट इट डाउन नाउ. कोऑपरेशन की हिंट के लिए ये वाली लाइंस है. हार्मनी नॉट डिस्कॉर्ड के लिए ये वाली लाइन है कि मैनेजमेंट और वर्कर्स का एटीट्यूड चेंज करना है, एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉफिट्स को शेयर करना है, एंड द प्रॉस्पेरिटी ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट डिपेंड्स अपॉन प्रॉस्पेरिटी ऑफ द वर्कर्स एंड वाइस वर्सा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. According to this principle of scientific management, the employees should be rewarded for their suggestion. अभी बताया है, जस्ट आपको बताई ना अभी हिंट. तो कौन सी लाइन है इसका आंसर? ओके मान्या, मान्या बेटे.
Cooperation, not
वेरी
individualism.
गुड, इट इज कोऑपरेशन नॉट इंडिविजुअलिज्म. ये वाली लाइन जब हो, एम्प्लॉई शुड बी रिवॉर्डेड फॉर देयर सजेशन. इनिशिएटिव होता था, यही सेम प्रिंसिपल फ्यूल में, वही सेम प्रिंसिपल कोऑपरेशन नॉट इंडिविजुअलिज्म बन गया एफडब्ल्यू टेलर. ये हिंट याद रख लेना, ठीक है, सजेशन वाला. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Considering the fact that it is difficult to find one single person with all the needed qualities, Taylor suggested appointment of a specialist. Through this technique of scientific management, identify the technique. Okay, काशवी ने सबसे पहले हैंड रेज किया. यस काशवी.
Functional foremanship.
Very good, it is functional foremanship because one single boss cannot do everything. तो 8 bosses हमने अपॉइंट करे थे for different specialized tasks. Very good. Next is the concept of work study includes. Work study में क्या क्या होता है? Time study, fatigue study, motion study, and all of the above. Okay, Pranjal again is there. Pranjal. Pranjal, I think there is some problem with your mic. When I ask you, आपसे मतलब बता नहीं पाती हैं आप आंसर. I think there is some technical problem. Okay, Ashwinder Kaur, you can answer.
Ma'am, D, all of the above.
All of the above. हाँ, 3 यहाँ लिखे हैं, but basically 4 points are there in work study. Next, the technique of scientific management helps in development of the concepts of assembly line, which is widely used in automobile companies these days as well. Identify the technique. Which technique is this? Okay, only 1, 2, only 2 students. 3, 4, okay. Manya?
Method study.
Yes, it is method study. ये भी मैंने आप कीवर्ड बताया था. When they are talking about assembly line, किस मेथड से हमने प्रोडक्शन करनी है. So it is method. किसी को डाउट है तो you can ask again. Prabjot, you want to say something?
No, ma'am, वो पिछला आंसर देना था.
Okay. So you were giving this answer only?
Yes, ma'am, method study वाला.
Okay. Very good. Next is this technique of scientific management aims to determine the amount and frequency. Very easy question. Amount and frequency of rest interval. Okay. Okay. Drishti, yes, bete.
Fatigue study.
Fatigue study. Very good. Very right. Very easy question. But इस question में fatigue study तो है ही नहीं. तो आंसर क्या होगा? Yes, Aditi.
Time study.
Time study. Time study कैसे हो गया बेटे? Time study तो नहीं होता.
None of the above.
Yes, it is a tricky question. You know the answer. It is fatigue study, and fatigue study is not there in the options. So you are supposed to say none of the above. Time study तो time देखता है कितना time चाहिए. यहाँ पे बात हो रही है rest intervals की. Time determine the amount and frequency of rest interval. Drishti, you were right, but you have to see the option is there or not. So option is not there, to none of the above is the answer. Next is the application of this principle of management leads to higher production and better work for the same efforts. कौन सा principle है ये? Okay, Kanika. Yes, Kanika.
Division of work.
Very good. It is division of work. जब हम division of work कर देते हैं तो same people, same effort से same time में ज्यादा output ला सकते हैं, क्योंकि they will become specialized in their work, repeatedly same काम करके. Next is, according to this principle of general management, the organization should safeguard against abuse of managerial powers. At the same time, a manager should have the necessary authority to carry out the responsibility. अभी क्वेश्चन में हिंट सीधा ही मिल गया, तो आंसर हमारा बन गया सान्या.
B, authority and
Yes,
responsibility.
it is authority and responsibility. Next question number 22. Name the principle of management suggested by Henry Fayol, which advocates that there should be good supervisors at all levels, clear and fair agreement of judicial application. कल भी पढ़ा था ये, से कल पढ़ा था ना हमने. Okay, Kanika.
None of above.
इसका right answer क्या होना चाहिए?
Discipline.
Yes, its answer should be discipline, because discipline is not there, so right answer will be none of the above. Very good. Last question. According to Henry Fayol, if this principle of general management is violated, authority is undermined, discipline is in jeopardy, order disturbed and stability threatened, identify the principle of management. This is a very important statement. इसको as it is note कर लीजिए अपनी कॉपी में. This is again a hint. This statement shows the answer for one particular principle. और ये ऐसे ही as it is आएगा पेपर में. Authority is undermined, discipline is in jeopardy, order disturbed and stability is threatened. तो कौन सा प्रिंसिपल होता है जो ये सब बता रहा है?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, unity of command.
Ashwinder, who said?
Unity of command.
Okay, yes, the right answer is unity of command. Unity of command में क्या है? Dual subordination नहीं होगी, discipline बना रहेगा, order बना रहेगा, stability threaten नहीं होगी. So that is the right answer. Is it clear to you? Okay, one more question is there, but I have not clicked its picture. If you want तो मैं आपके लिए पढ़ देती हूँ question. वैसे ये काफी इजी सा क्वेश्चन है, चलिए रहने दीजिए इसको. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट इज द होमवर्क? बेटे टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू फिनिश दिस चैप्टर, मतलब इसके कॉन्सेप्ट हम खत्म करेंगे. देयर इज वन क्वेश्चन व्हिच आई वांट यू टू डू ऑन योर ओन. आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर. यू आर सपोज्ड टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन, और कल हम इसी को डिस्कस करने वाले. क्वेश्चन इज, I am reading the work or theory given by Henry Fayol. Given by Henry Fayol is complementary to that of tailor. Inverted comma close. I repeat, the work or theory given by Henry Fromm is complementary to that of Taylor. आगे लिखना है, दिख रहा है ना आपको बोर्ड पे क्या लिखा हुआ? In the light of the given statement, in the light of the given statement, compare and contrast. Compare and contrast between Taylor and Fromm. Okay, so this is the question. दिख नहीं रहा है तो I can read it once more. The work or theory given by Henry Fromm is complementary to that of Taylor. In the light of the given statement, compare and contrast between Taylor and Fromm. Taylor and Fromm दो बंदे हैं हमारे पास. One is father of management, other is father of scientific management. Both of them has given their own theory. Now you are supposed to, जैसे junior classes में आपने क्या होगा difference between the two लिखते हैं ना. You are supposed to do the same. Center में एक line draw करेंगे. एक side पे Henry Fromm, एक side पे F.W. Taylor. You will write कि दोनों के जो theory है उसमें क्या difference है. दोनों में कुछ similarities होंगी वो भी आप लिखेंगे. कुछ difference होगा वो भी आप लिखेंगे. उसने ये कहा, उसने ये कहा, उसने ये principle दिया, दूसरे ने violate कर दिया. इसने ये principle दिया, जैसे initiative principle Fromm ने दिया. Similar principle cooperation not individualism Taylor ने दिया. लेकिन नाम change हो गया, थोड़ा सा style change हो गया. So similarities as well as differences between the two you are supposed to write. ये question 6 marks में आया हुआ है कई बार. 6 marks. Yes, Jasmine, you want to say something? Any one of you, if you have any doubt, bete, you can ask me now because that's all from my side for today. You have any doubt? You can ask me now. Aditi?